Hey, just wanted to show you this outdoor gas cooker that we're going to use here. We're going to cook some corn on it. We've got a pot with some water ready to start cooking. And just getting this, just wanted to show you, here's what comes in the box. I'm going to go ahead and take this out. There's the hose, and then here's the assembly pieces for the cooker. It looks like it should be really easy to put together, and then I will show you kind of the installation process while I do it, and then show you cooking. Alright, so we're here, we've got everything set up, it's working perfect. It only literally took just a couple minutes, just a couple easy steps. We've got the, you can see the flames going good. We've got the kettle on here, and we're ready to start cooking some corn, and we'll be ready to eat before long. But I would highly recommend this product. Check it out on Amazon.